Hey guys, welcome to Nerd or Turd, and today we're going to be getting a stuck bit out of an impact driver. You can see here I'm trying to release the bit, but it's not moving. I put the pliers on it. I release the bit, it won't budge. I'm trying to use all my force. What I recommend is if you put a cable tie just there, you can hold that release mechanism. Now you can concentrate on holding the pliers and the actual impact driver itself. And it still won't budge. Hey, it's Nerd! Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Welcome back. So now I've put the impact driver on the floor. Now I'm putting my foot on it and I'm trying to pull. Let's give it another go. Let's pull harder. Oof. And there we go. Now you just gotta cut that cable tie off of there. And that's the bit. It doesn't seem to be too much damage on it to show why it's jamming. That's how you get a stuck bit out of an impact driver. I hope you liked the video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share.
And don't forget to leave a comment down below.